Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY and also World of RV Parts. So we have here the Dometic awning motor. Model number is 3317084.000U. This is what comes in the kit. It comes with the new end cap. It comes with new rivets. And it comes with, of course, a nice shiny new motor. So as you can see, it has the plug on the end of it. These are very hard to come by. Remember, you don't ever want to tap on these with a hammer, you guys. It'll ruin them, just so you know. I know guys have done it, so you want to be careful when you're changing your motor. Working on awnings on RVs can be dangerous, so you want to keep that in mind. Make sure you know what you're doing. And safety first. This comes in black or white. This specific one is black. And we'll post a link down in the description where you can get the black one or the white one. We typically try to have a few of these in stock. It's not easy to always have them in stock just because they're so popular. So if they're not in stock, it'll say back ordered on the website. But just know, when we start to get low on inventory, we order more and they're on their way. And we try to get you guys the best competitive price we can. But you know, the main thing with us, a lot of people we think are buying their products from us because of our educational videos, how to do the job. So we will be doing an awning motor on one of these pretty soon, and we'll show you guys how to change it yourself. So it'll give you a little bit of a guide and kind of how to, you know, so because sometimes just going off the wind of what the internet says without watching a video can make it very challenging and difficult to change out one of these motors. It's not super hard, but like I said, it can be very dangerous because it is an awning. So you want to keep that in mind. Some people will just buy the motor and then hire an RV technician to swap it out for them. And but in the summertime, especially when it starts to get windy in certain areas, this thing can get back ordered as much as 100 units. Not specifically through us, that's like nationwide. But typically whoever has them on order on a regular basis will always have them coming in. So like last summer, we had them coming in even when everybody else couldn't get their hands on them. And so we were selling a lot more than anybody else. But I'll post a link in the description where you guys can buy this. Comment below if you have any questions. And I'd be happy to answer them for you. And again, you can buy it on worldofrvparts.com. We'll also post some other links where you guys can get it as well, just to be fair. So until next time, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other great how-to videos and our other videos on RV parts that you can purchase from us. Safe travels.